Hi guys, welcome to Lee's Living Out of the Norm. I'm Naomi. My husband Eric and I are trying to build our dream off-grid homestead in Arizona desert by ourselves, ground up. We don't live here permanently, so our progress is a lot slower than other people live here full-time, but we like to share with you what we have done and what's coming. Stay tuned. If you're following our journey, you know we are almost to the point that operating our compressed earth block machine to make blocks to build our house. But we realized a lot of things had to be done before we started on that. Our land was completely empty when we purchased it, but now we have a shipping container for storage and solar system is all situated. And also a well got drilled, so we have water. To have a smooth block making assembly line, we think we need pressurized water. As of now, we are still pumping water in IBC tote and using gravity to supply water to our RV. So on this trip, we like to set up an electricity line to our well and pressurize water. Also, we are thinking about our living quarters situated. Our toy hauler is sitting on an awkward position. So whenever we have to dump our black water, we have to move it. To fill the fresh water, we have to move it sometimes. And electricity, we have to have an extension cable all the way from our shipping container. So by making RV pad, everything can be done at one spot, and then it's gonna make our life so much easier, and we can actually focus on building blocks. Eric still has to work during the weekdays, so we'll see how much we get done on this trip. I have my own side project I might work on. I hope I share that with you too. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.